In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download all photos in Google Drive. We will use Google Takeout, which is the most reliable way to export your entire photo library in one go. This method creates downloadable archives of your photos, so you can back them up safely or move them to another device. Start by opening your web browser and heading to takeout.google.com. Google Takeout is a tool that lets you export a copy of your data from various Google services. You will want to be signed in to the account that holds your photos once the page loads. You will see a long list of Google products that can be exported. By default, everything might be selected, which we don't want here. Click Deselect All to clear the list. Then scroll down until you find Google Photos. Check the box next to Google Photos so you are only exporting your images and videos. This focuses the export on your photo library and avoids downloading other unrelated data. It's a simple way to make sure you get just what you need without extra clutter. Next, click Next Step to move on to your export settings. You will be asked to choose a file type and a destination. Choose Zip as the file type. A zip file is a compressed package that keeps your photos organized and smaller for downloading for the destination. Pick where you want the archives to go. You can have Google email you a link to download them directly, or you can send the archives to a cloud storage service connected to your account. When you are happy with your choices, click Create Export. Google will start preparing your files in the background. The time this takes depends on how many photos and videos you have. A small library might be ready in minutes, while a large one can take longer. When it's finished, you will receive an email with a secure download link. Open that email, click the link, and you'll see your export available as one or more zip files. If you have a lot of content, Google may split it into multiple parts. So make sure to download each file shown to get your entire library. Remember that zip files are standard on most computers, so you can open them to access the folders inside and confirm your photos are there. It's a good idea to save your archives somewhere with plenty of storage space and a stable connection during download. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.